Hi, I'm Maggie DeVries and I came to live in Bathurst when I was 5 years old. I opened my first cafe called Maggie's Coffee Plus in William Street when I was 22 years old. I met Jeff Muir online in 2017 and he chose to come and live in Bathurst with me. We were married last year on my 60th birthday and I don't think I've had a happier or such a fun time in my whole life. The River House has been an amazing find and a purchase for me, as my dad used to always say, whoever lives there must be a very lucky person. It's the best property and the best position in Bathurst. Together we're really looking forward to the challenge of bringing this old house back to life, preserving it for the future of Bathurst and enjoying my passion for making a beautiful house an amazing garden. This project is very unique because of its location, the age of the house and the historical significance to Bathurst. The old part of the house is really in pretty good shape and just needs a lot of love and attention to bring it back to the old world charm of the 1830s. Looking here at the bedroom in the original part of the house, and as we move through you can see the stairs leading to the upstairs bedrooms and then moving through the house into the kitchen. The door height is great if you're under 1.5 metres, but both Jeff and I are over 1.8, so we really do have to look out for this. The dining room in the original part of the house has some very rough repairs already done. We will have to rip that out and explore what we can do with the walls and the foundations. I'm not really looking forward to this part, but I am excited to see what we can find here. This is the original brickwork in the upstairs part of the house where a window was blocked off by an extension. It's a mystery what we are going to do here. We do want to feature some of the old brickwork and looking forward to it restoring the old sash windows. Probably the thing that I'm looking most to about this project is the position of where the house is on such a public walkway area on the river, and being fairly well known in Bathurst, it will be something that will be really good to share with the community of what we're doing, right from the new retaining walls and then back out to the garden. My dream would be that we have the garden looking so beautiful that I can have the open garden scheme there, just like my mum used to do, and have a very authentic garden of how it would have been all those years ago when the original designer would have done it. I think it would be great to showcase Bathurst, including this house. Bathurst is a great city and I love living here and very proud of the way it is.